Now, a new leak is making people even more curious about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It seems like it will be thinner than we first anticipated, which is telling. According to early leaks, the Z Fold 7 measured around 4.5 millimeters when unfurled and 9 to 9.5 millimeters when closed. It's very slick, isn't it? According to a more recent report, it could only be 8.4 millimeters thick when closed. That's crazy. Like going crazy with the principles of physics. But now, Ice Universe, one of the game's most reliable leakers, is supplying figures that still seem great, but are a little more grounded. Just 3.9 millimeters when open and 8.9 millimeters when closed. The Fold 7 would be even thinner than the current champion, the Oppo Find N5, which measures 8.93 millimeters closed and 4.21 millimeters open. If it is true, it's insane. Let's talk about the battery now. What we had previously heard was also verified by Ice Universe. Like the Fold 6, the Fold 7 will have a 4,400 mAh battery. Here's the twist, however. It seems that they are using new battery and charging technology. We don't yet know precisely what it entails. However, we would be ecstatic if Samsung could make the same sized battery last longer or charge more quickly than the Fold 6 25-watt. But let's be honest, still managing to fit a 4,400 mAh battery into a 3.9 millimeters thin device. That is a great feat of magic. On the other hand, Oppo's 5,600 mAh battery fits in 5. Therefore, it is feasible. Which would you prefer, a larger battery or Samsung keeping the Fold 7 at 4.5 millimeters? I know that now. Does the majority of people care that Samsung may earn the title of thinnest foldable in the world? In any case, companies like smartphones Oppo, Vivo, and Honor are now notorious for quickly snatching up such records. In all honesty, the Fold 7 seems like just another safe update for me. Although specs aren't everything, it's absurd that after 6 generations, we're still receiving little adjustments. Samsung must eventually provide us with more than simply a thinner shell. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.